Right, I'm just going to show you how you get in to read your VW fourth generation instrument cluster. So you go into your special functions, you're looking for IMO, agree on OK, go all the way down to Volkswagen, right, select by type, it's the immobilizer function, fourth immobilizer system, program keys. Right, so we are dealing with the neck plus 24 C32. Right, we go there. All right, so you have to put the VIN for your car. Right, in this case, that's our VIN number there. WVW triple Z. So it's WVW triple Z 6RZA 6RZA U 000 U and then 543. So we click done and we OK that. It takes us straight in. This is where we want to be, and we do whatever it is that we want to do. So there is this generating service model. This is where you get the instrument cluster to be activated by the Xtool, by your diagnostic machine. So right, let's carry on. And so in this one you have to remove the chip from the instrument cluster and connect the EPROM adapter on your Xtool. So that will be the KC501 adapter. So we have to follow these instructions and do this whole setup. Right, so we've got the instrument cluster all set up, ignition on. We've got our little Godiag that's going to simulate our OBD, the ignition, and the Xtool IP900. So the first thing we're going to do is read dashboard information. Right, there we go. That's our VIN number. So that's the dash information. Right. So we OK that. And so we read the EPROM data. Read EPROM. Turn ignition on. Our ignition is already turned on there. That's why you see the cluster is on. So we switch yes. Reading our EPROM data. There we go. So we save it as Golf EPROM. Okay. And we OK that. Right. And then let's read the IMO key data. Our all the key information. There we go. The dash is responding. There we go with the bips. Right, so the CS code is what we need to make the key, and the pin code. So we have the key information. There is one key registered to this car, and that's the key number there. Okay, so we need to take a picture of that. So we click OK for now. So we can now go straight into making a dealer key. Please connect the KC501 to make the key. So we need to connect our KC501. Right, so there we are. We have connected the KC501, ready to make our dealer key. Our dash or our cluster is still on. The ignition is on. And we click OK. Right, it's asking, we are doing this for a VW. Put the key in the coil. There's our key. And we click OK. That's it. Our dealer key has been made successfully. Right, just to learn the key now. One key that we are learning, and we're doing it from this little, so the learn key success. So that's okay. So guys, if you watch my other videos, I did use the IM508S, and I took out the EPROM chip. That was because I was trying to illustrate how you can do it without this OBD simulator. So it's just to show you guys different ways of working with different tools, or different ways of working without some special tools. Yeah, I hope you find this very useful. Thanks for watching.